All right, I've been testing the Govee ceiling fan with lights, H1310, and here's the real-world take after using it for a bit. First impression. This thing is more of a smart lighting centerpiece than a hardcore cooling fan. At around $190, you're paying for the combo of design, smart features, and ambiance. On the fan side, it's pretty solid but not overpowered. You get a super quiet DC motor. I'm talking about that you forget it's on level, around 30 dB on low. It pushes up to 5,000 CFM, which is fine for a bedroom or office. But if you're expecting serious cooling in a hot room, it's not going to feel like a traditional heavy-duty fan. Where it really shines is the lighting. The dual-zone RGBX lighting is genuinely impressive. Smooth color transitions, tons of presets, and app control that actually feels polished. It also works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Matter, which makes it easy to drop into a smart home setup. So here's the verdict. If you want mood lighting plus a quiet fan in one sleek package, it's worth it. If you just want raw cooling power, look elsewhere.